Hello YouTube, this is Zippo Person, and today I have a review of the Ronson Butane Jet Light. Here it is. It's fairly cheap for what you get, but it's a nice lighter. It's refillable, adjustable flame. Let me see if I can find a screwdriver here and I'll change it. Okay. This is on the highest setting right now. I'm gonna put it down some and see. The screwdriver's too loose. Okay, here it is. I'm going to turn it down some, turn it all the way down, see if it works. No. That's what I don't like about these lighters. If you turn them all the way down, they won't work. It's about midways and it's back all the way. I'm gonna see if I can get something black right here to show you how big the flame is. It's probably like a good inch out of it. It was about $10, and it's a very nice butane one. And remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Zippo Person out.